Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Margin. Margin allows you to borrow money from Fidelity to purchase securities, potentially increasing your buying power. However, it also amplifies both gains and losses, so understanding its mechanics is crucial before you begin. We'll cover the basics of what margin is and its fundamental implications for your investments. To use margin with Fidelity, you first need to apply for and be approved for a margin agreement. Your account must also maintain a minimum equity of $2,000 to open a margin account. After that, you'll need to meet ongoing maintenance margin requirements, which ensure you always have enough equity to cover potential losses. Once approved, you can borrow up to 50% of the purchase price of eligible securities. Remember, interest accrues daily on any borrowed funds, impacting your overall returns. Be aware that if your account's equity falls below the maintenance margin, you could face a margin call, requiring you to deposit more funds or sell securities. While margin can significantly enhance your purchasing power and potential gains, it also carries substantial risks. Your losses can exceed your initial investment, and the interest costs can erode your profits. It's essential to use margin cautiously, understand the risks involved, and monitor your account closely to avoid unexpected margin calls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.